Hi, in this video you will learn how to file GSTR-1 on the GST portal using Tally.ERP 9 and the GST Offline Returns tool. Ensure that you are using Tally.ERP 9 Release 6.1 and that the GST Offline Returns tool is installed on your computer. Tally.ERP 9 Release 6.1 provides a report in which you can view your GSTR-1 return details. To view the report, go to Display, Statutory Reports, GST, GSTR-1. You can view this report in the table-wise format where the return details are captured under different table heads similar to the actual form. Alternatively, you can select the default view which provides tax computation information for all outward supplies. You can export GSTR-1 details from this report to Excel. Before you export, ensure that all the transactions are included in the report and resolve exceptions if any. And importantly, raise the liability on advance receipts for which invoices are not raised in the reporting period. Click the Stat Adjustment button and pass an adjustment voucher to increase tax liability on account of advance receipts. Extract and install the GST Returns Offline tool that will help you create the offline returns JSON file for upload on the GST portal. To export the returns, click the E-Return button in the GSTR-1 report. Enter the location in the Export Location field and accept. The return details for the selected period are exported to Excel. Once the export is completed, verify the values and close the file. You can export the return details in the CSV format also. All you have to do is select CSV in the Format field while exporting the returns. Tally.ERP 9 will create separate CSV files for each table in GSTR-1. These files need to be imported in the Offline tool. Start the Offline tool. To create returns upload file, click New under Upload New Invoice or Other Data for Return. Select GSTR-1 and the tax period and enter your GSTIN. Click Proceed. Click Import Files and select Import Excel. Browse and select the Excel file that was created by exporting data from Tally.ERP 9. Click View Summary to view the tax details from the imported file. Click Generate File to create the JSON file which can be uploaded to the GST portal. If you want to export the return details in the CSV format, instead of selecting Import Excel in the Offline tool, select the name of a section under Import Returns, one section at a time, and click Import CSV. Import files for each section. Click View Summary to view the tax details from the imported file. Click Generate File. Once the JSON file is created, log in to the GST portal. Go to Services and click Returns. Select the return filing period and click Search. Click Prepare Offline under GSTR-1. Select the JSON file created by the Offline tool. Submit the return and e-sign. With Tally.ERP 9 Release 6.1, you can export GSTR-1 details with the click of a button, after which all you have to do is create JSON and upload. For detailed information on the values captured in different tables for GSTR-1, visit help.tallysolutions.com.